Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're going to be doing a quick review on Turbolearn AI. Like the name says, Turbolearn AI, which implies that you get to learn faster, as in a lot faster. That's right. You get videos, audios, PDF, instant notes, flashcards, quizzes, and chatbot, all in Turbolearn AI. So what are you waiting for? Let's look at it. You can join about 2 million plus learners. Wow. So many people all over the world. You get institutional plans. You can purchase Turbolearn for your classroom, club, department, or university. The features are 1. Beauty. Now, what do we mean by that? You get notes that include tables, diagrams, emojis, and equations. Multimodality. You can create notes from audio, video, or PDF. Flashcards and quizzes. You can review your notes using them and chat. Chat with upload and get context-dependent answer. You see, these are really good. And you can also scan on phone or click on this to get it too. So Turbolearn AI is really great, especially for students, like we said, and everyone that wants to learn. So if you want to get started, click on get started, and it is free. You can even generate podcasts, you can generate quiz questions, you can generate a lot of things. Anything that will help you to learn faster, as in a lot faster. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to click here when you get started, and you can move on to the dashboard. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.